I know you guys might be feeling a little bit of nervousness, a little bit of anxiety, just high amount of emotions when you guys enter in a trade. You guys might start calculating in your head, you might start running through a couple of frequencies in your head or sequences like, what if I lose? Or, oh dang, if I don't win, I'm gonna be out of this money. If I don't win, X, Y, and Z is gonna happen. And this type of panicked and frantic mindset just has to be eliminated, man. I thank you for clicking on this video. I plan to help you guys out. Let's talk about how to stop feeling nervous and how to stop feeling anxiety when you enter into trade. Now, look, I know trading is a probability game. So emotions are going to be evolved due to the fact that it's a probability game. Ultimately, off of my setups at least, I win. I'm gonna be honest, my win rate's high. I'm just keep it 1,000. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. If you're in my signals, you know. But no ego, no cockiness, because there's traders significantly better than me. But you get to the point in trading to where when you start getting so consistent, you're not going to care whether or not you win or lose. I'm going to be honest. You're really not. And I know it might sound kind of backwards, but the better you get at trading, the better loser you're going to be. So say even if you do enter in a trade, right? When you're good at trading, you have systematic parameters in place. And this is probably why you're feeling nervous. You probably don't have your stop loss calculated. You probably don't know the exact amount you're going to lose. That is something you can control in this probability game. So in order to stop feeling nervousness, you have to control all the factors you can take control of. What can we control in trading? Our stop loss and the amount of money that we lose per trade. We don't know whether or not we're going to win or lose, but thank God, alhamdulillah, we do have the ability to set a stop loss and calculate the amount of money we're going to lose if we lose. That's one. And that's really the main, most important piece of bread and butter. You can control how much you lose. So why are you scared? Unless you're trading with an amount that you're probably not comfortable with. Unless you're trading without a stop loss set and you guys are just trying to trade mental stop loss and you end up holding till drawdown instead of putting a stop loss there to close you out instantly. There's a lot of things you might be feeling because of the fact that you just aren't taking control of the parameters in trading that you can take control of. What type of entries are you taking? If you sit here week after week, backtest and watch live market, the same entries work out. Why would you feel scared to enter in? If you watch the type of setups that you like to take, whether it be it reversals or breakouts, work out, what are you nervous for? Aren't you trying to get wealthy? You guys have to understand who you guys are playing against in this game, bro. There's people with billions and millions of dollars in this game. 8 figures, 9 figures, 7 figures. Traders. You can see it on the tape with the amount of contracts that they open up. You think they're scared, bro? If people trading with 7 or 8 figures aren't scared, what are you scared of, bro? Why are you scared? You have to understand who you're competing against, bro. You think you have room to feel any anxiety on your $1,000 account or your couple $100 account? Not saying it's small or anything, but you guys have to understand the type of whales that you're competing against, the type of human being that you decide to come in and compete against. You think NBA players, you think they come in feeling nervous and stuff like that? Maybe in the first couple of games, but after they start rolling, you think LeBron gets on that court and feel nervous? No, because LeBron has control over the situation. LeBron has control over the game. LeBron is the dominant factor. He knows even if he loses, he puts in the most amount of work 90% of the time. Even if you lose, if you put in the work, you stuck to your entry criteria. You stuck to your stop loss. You stuck to your risk reward ratio. You took one trade and got off. Even if you lose money from your account, how is that a losing trade? It's a probability game. Never forget that. Even if you have an extremely high win rate, price action can happen, things can happen, and your stop loss is going to get hit sometimes. That's okay. It's part of the game, bro. It's about how you accept it, though. Because if you don't accept it, that's when you continue to overtrade. You're not going to be able to accept the loss and just get off, overtrade. Next thing you know, you blow up your account. Then you're definitely gonna be feeling scared to get in. Okay. If you're not confident in the type of setups that you like to take, one day you're taking reversals, one day you're on the 5-minute, one day you're on the daily. One day you're buying at open, one day you're playing VWAP, one day you're using this indicator, doing this. No consistent system. This is why you're feeling scared, because you're lost. You don't know what you're doing. You don't have enough structure in place within your game plan. If you guys are looking for structure, head over to StackMode.net. I have a free ebook, a course, as well as you can sign up for one-on-one mentorship. Okay? Get my free ebook, bro. It helps. Just read through it. Helps a lot. All right? Now, look, you guys have to understand that no matter your account size, this is going to be the same thing. A 4-figure account is the same thing as a 7-figure account. The only thing that changes is the contract sizes. That's it. Otherwise, it's the same entry criteria. That's why traders can go turn a small amount of money into a lot when they decide to do small account challenge or something like that. Because it's the same thing, bro. It doesn't really matter the amount of money you have. As long as you can have enough to have a good stop loss and decent contracts, etc., you're fine. You're fine, bro. It's about your system. It's about how dedicated are you to your systematic plan and how efficient is the systematic plan that you trade. Okay? Trading is nothing but congruencies. Okay? And the key steps to profitability, mentorship, course, and ebook, I teach you guys these things. Identifying key levels of support and resistance, and either waiting for price to reach those congruent areas and catch a reversal, or wait for market to form structure, reverse at those congruent areas, and catch the breakout, because price has to continue eventually. It's not just going to reverse there till the end of time. Not how trading goes. Not how trading goes. So, find your edge, stick to your edge, and you will stop feeling nervous when you click buy or you click sell. Okay? Get your plan, stick to it, study daily, pray daily. Most important thing, pray to God. Okay? God's going to remove all of our worry, inshallah. A lot of our panic, a lot of our anxiety can be removed just from praying to God. Okay? He's here to take care of us. As long as we worship him, inshallah, we'll be good. Okay? BitUnix.com, link in the description below for futures trading for crypto and meme coins is super dope. My favorite futures crypto broker. It's super cool. You can buy meme coins and buy crypto on there too. Favorite crypto broker for sure. Link in the description below. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Peace out. Blam. If you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency broker where you guys can trade crypto futures, altcoins, and meme coins, I recommend you guys head over to bitunix.com. You guys can either buy crypto straight up and buy your favorite coins using your card, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, etc. You guys also have the ability to trade futures as well, where you guys can either long or short cryptos such as Bitcoin, or even trade altcoins and meme coins such as Gala USDT. So you guys have a huge variety of what you guys want to trade, and the fees are pretty low as well. On bitunix.com, they also do give you guys a welcome bonus as well, where you guys can complete some very easy steps and get some free capital which you guys can trade with. There's also tons of trading competitions that go on that you guys can earn some capital to trade from too, and you can compete against your buddies. So if you guys are looking for a new crypto broker with low fees, fast transactions, and fast withdrawals, I'd head over to bitunix.com. Link in description below. Peace.